My name is Conor Ferring, and I'm from Boynton Beach, Florida, and this is Letterbookd, my final project for CS50 2023, and it is a book-centric website designed to allow unique users to browse thousands of books and create custom reading lists of books they want to read or have already read. It utilizes Open Library API to collect data on a vast library of books, including cover art, titles, author names, and identifier codes. Users can create elegant, comprehensive lists of all books that interest them in one place for registering and logging in. So we've only got a little bit of time and I've already made an account, so let's jump right into it. So the first two things you'll notice on the main page are that the top banner on the home is gone because we are no longer unregistered users. So now it just says your username. And the other thing is that the books have changed a little bit. And that's because on the home page, it is a constantly updating list of the trending books of the day. So you can be on this page for 5 minutes, refresh, and you'll have a couple of other books to look at. So right when you log in for the day, you'll be able to look through and see, what are people reading today? What's popular? What do I want to read? And let's say I scroll around and I say, let's see what sounds interesting. Let's try out this slightly wicked book, whatever that is. So now we have a book page with a cover photo, title, identification, and we've got 2 buttons. But maybe this book doesn't interest me that much. So let's go over to search and see if we can find something that does. So we have 2 ways of finding books. We have ISBN number and we have title. So fortunately, I've got an ISBN on hand that we can use. So we hit enter. And that takes us to the matching book, which is Life of Pi. I can click that, takes me to the book page. We have all the usual information, and I can say, you know what, I did read this book. I loved this book, so let me put that on my list. So let me find another book. Let's try to use the title search this time. Let's do Ready Player. All right. All right, now Ready Player 1 is here, and I can click that. And I can say, I really want to read this book. This book looks fun. Let me add that to my list, and the icon immediately changes on the button to demonstrate that this book is now on your list. So now we can go over to my list and see what's going on. On my list, we can see a comprehensive selection of all the books that I have either added to my list or said that I've read. So if I, for example, say, I've got Life of Pi here, which I said I read, and I've got Ready Player 1, which I said that I hadn't. So let's say, I actually had that backwards. I can bring Ready Player 1. Let's get rid of it. And then it will vanish. This was Letterbookd, and this was CS50. Thank you very much.